Good afternoon, all the judges. My name is Prakash. This is Samyak. We are from team OutOfBounds. We have tackled the problem statement one, which was to create a platform for users to research better about their ads. So what we have done is we have gathered information from multiple platforms and social media. We have considered YouTube and as well as Reddit. So I will explain to you how we tackled those particular platforms. So what we did is that we used the Google search APIs and we searched for the particular keyword which the user is searching for. And Samyak here developed a good, you can say a good method to go back and forth with the user to investigate exactly what kind of ads or what kind of keywords you're looking for. Samyak, please explain.
So basically, a small, you could say, an AI agent that is implemented to give us insights from various YouTube videos. Now, we all know that YouTube creators tend to keep their videos short and efficient and have more information than any other blogs. So, what they do is, so what we have applied here over here is we extract the query from the user first. So basically now, as you can see on the screen, if I mention I want to make an now I haven't specified what kind of advert I want to do. So this the chatbot will make it clear before searching for data sources what kind of product or service you are looking for. Maybe if I say electric toothbrush.
Let's try that. Let's say you want to sell a toothbrush you have. So the chatbot will then now ask you for your target audience and what the exact features of the electric toothbrush you think are worth selling. So yeah, so now it is asking what is the benefit or feature of a electric toothbrush, like you want to highlight. For example, if it whitens or it is easy to use, and they can put in anything we want. And if the chatbot thinks that this information is enough for it to form a specific query for you, then it will tell us that and then go on its own journey to gather insights on how you can sell it and what your competitors are and how they are doing it themselves.
Yeah. So now what the chatbot is currently doing at the back end is, see, this is the query it has found from the previous chats. Now it will go and search this query towards many other platforms. One is Google search. It would go on Reddit. It would go on YouTube. And even if Google and Reddit are text based, the YouTube is video based, as we all know. So the pipeline over there, which we have come up with, is extracting the audio from the YouTube videos first, then using Whisper from Grok's API to get the transcripts, and then performing a, a different kind of RAG application on the text that we extract. So it doesn't matter what kind of language it is. It might be Hindi, it might be Marathi, it might be English. It gets what is expected, and I think it would give the references. These are the references for the YouTube videos it is considered watching.
The reason along with this we went with Reddit is because on that platform you have many people having disputes with each other, and you don't have just one opinion. You have multiple people's opinion on the same matter. So our model learns from all of those interactions and it can give you a more profound view of that particular product or problem you're looking at. So it will analyze all the pain points of the users. It will analyze all the plus points of that specific product, and through this we can know that which product has strength in what sector and has weaknesses in which sector.
So now it will give an entire generated report of every hook, every CTA that we should go, every analysis of competitors that they have implemented. I'll show you in just a second. So if I just sort of check out
I think it is in the
yeah,
next page.
we have tried quite a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, so here it is. These are the query embeddings. So we also have implemented in such a way that if the query which we input, so now if someone comes and searches electric toothbrush again, so the percent similarity would be above 0.85. So it would give the same results that it has given right now because the time difference is not that much.
And due to this, the computation is lower because we are not repeatedly computing the same queries.
So these are the Reddit Grok insights and these are the YouTube Grok insights. Can you please? easy electric toothbrush. So as you can see,
So yeah, so with this specific insight, we can see that these were the triggers and these were the pain points which led users to go for this specific toothbrush. So you can see so the price and value. So the model considers that many users thought that the cost of electric toothbrush, especially comparing brands like Oral-B and Sonicare. So the model will understand now that okay, so users are talking about Sonicare and Oral-B, and due to that, it will go on through the whole discourse and understand what are the exact pain points through which the users had to change between these brands. So one more example here you can see is that there was a skepticism of marketing claims. There is a notable skepticism of towards marketing claims from especially brands like Highsmile, with users expressing frustration or exaggerated promises and scams. So this is an insight which a human might miss, which our model will not because it has much more of a context.
I think I'll show you the data sources that we have accumulated from YouTube and Reddit as well. So if we go over here, we have I think we have two. So searches and YouTube insights are two vector collections, and the Reddit insights and Reddit comments are two non-vector collections. So if we go into searches, we would get a specific session ID, and it has the query outputs, which I think I went and showed. I think cut करूया.
Hello, sir.